compare your mate to anyone. Don't look on social media and see this person getting this. See, the enemy will use this day that is supposed to be set aside to celebrate something beautiful to make it a distraction in your marriage. Don't you compare your mate to a soul. Don't look on what you see on social media, because these people may do that may be this man's strength, but you don't know what this woman have to put up with and endure behind closed door. Every man has strength and weaknesses. Today you celebrate your husband's strength, because he may not be chivalrous, but you could count on him in other areas. You know, he may be a solid man in terms of his vision for your family. He may be a faithful man. He may be a man who you could call on for anything. He may be a man who builds you up and edifies you. So married women today, I don't want y'all getting distracted, comparing your mate to nobody. You be grateful for all God allows him to do for you today. All he does all year round. He's a good provider for you and your family, for your children. He's a good father for your children. I want you to focus on your husband's strength, and I want you to affirm him today in his strength, and I want you to remind him of the goodness that he does for you all year round. Today, I want you to celebrate your mate. Someone needs to hear that today, because you may get distracted with what you see. The roses, the chocolates, the this, the that. And sometimes you see these women getting stuff, you don't know what compromise sometimes people making to get these things. And it ain't even worth it in the long run. So today I want every single one of you wives, first of all, enjoy your husband. Kiss up on him. Make sure the goodie is right later on too. Make sure you give him some goodies. Y'all know what the goodies are. Celebrate with some goodies tonight. You understand? Enjoy your mate.